Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. If you like this video, please like and comment. So tonight, it is Sunday night and it is 9:02, and I figured we'd do an unboxing from Dreamer Designs. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Now this one is a painting by Kurtis Rykovich, which he has like a series of amazing, whimsical fantasy paintings, illustrations. And so she's part of it. Okay, let's get this baby out. So as you can see, all the paintings come from Dreamer Design. They come in a reusable carrying bag, which is cool. Just in case if you're gonna go diamond paint at your friend's house, you could actually put it in here. Okay. And all the canvases from Dreamer Design are on a very soft canvas. It's very soft. And it's got scallop edges, and it also has the pinholes, so that's to prevent from the painting falling apart, from fraying. They all come with a purple ribbon, which is very pretty. So let's untie this one. And this painting, actually, guys, I actually love it. I love the colors in this painting. All right, so there goes the toolkit, and it also comes in a reusable bag. So, okay, now we got the drills. Ooh, we got 2 bags. And I'm just gonna unroll it to get the sticker. And there it is. All right, so let's put this aside. All right, oh my gosh, it's a little hot up here. Okay, so here are the instructions, how to diamond paint. Okay, so we're gonna put that aside, we don't need that. And it comes with a big sticker. So this you could actually put in your logbook. And there is the picture of the beautiful painting. It's called Bird Sanctuary by Kurtis Rykovich. Okay, and here you have the pre-cut stickers. And these you could actually put in your containers. And it looks like you have 62 colors. And I like that it has also a sticker, so you could actually decorate your logbook. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so very quickly, let's see what's in the toolkit, just very quickly. If you hear little bells, that is going to be Bella. She is downstairs, but I left the door open, so she might just pop in. Okay. So it comes with resealable bags, just in case you don't have the containers, you can put the drills in here. It comes with 2, oops a daisy, I've got butterfingers today, guys. It comes with wax, it's purple wax. Make sure you peel the plastic. All right, so let's put it back. And it comes with 2 pens. It's got a single placer, and then it's got some multi-placers, and it's got a straightener. So you could actually, there you go. And of course you have some comfort, I call these comfort grips. These are good for if you have arthritis. It helps with your hands. So you got 2 of those. And then it also has a very pointy tweezers, and it says Dreamer Design. So be very careful. And it comes with a purple tray. It says Dreamer Design. And it also comes with a divider, so you could actually work with 2 different color drills if you like. All right, so let's put this aside. It actually has everything you need if you are a beginner. All right, and then of course these are the drills. The drills, I believe, are resin. I believe that Dreamer Design, the squares, the new square drills are supposed to be shinier and better than the ones from before. Okay, it says Bird Sanctuary. So you have 2 bags, so 2 of 1 and 2 of 2. And we're going to just look at the special drills. Okay, so let's put that aside. Let's bring back the beautiful canvas painting. I'm just unrolling it. It's pretty big, guys. And I'm gonna roll it back to try to flatten it a little bit because it has been in a box. Okay. So in the bottom, in the middle, it says Paints with Passion. Okay, and then on the left-hand side on the bottom, It says, as Dreamer lifetime warranty. Your diamond canvas kit comes with lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection from Dreamer Designs. And then their logo, Dreamer Design. Okay, so we're going to unroll this beautiful beauty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so very quickly, up here it says Bird Sanctuary by Kurtis Rykovich. Design size is 60 by 80 centimeters, which is 23.6 inches by 31.5 inches. And you've got a little picture. And then over here, it's all the information where to find them. Okay, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and so on. All right, and then it's got 2 legends. So one legend is on the right-hand side on the top. And then the other legend is at the bottom left-hand side. Now, the legend does come handy because it has 3 rows. The first row, it tells you that it has 62 colors. And then the middle are the symbols, and the symbols are what you're going to find in the painting. And then the third row are the DMC code. Now, I believe it has 62 colors, but it has 4 ABs. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs, and I believe 6 crystal drills, the ones with LZ. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crystal drills, guys. And this is a square. Okay, so let's look at this. Now I'm going to use my phone because I have the picture and it helps me to see it a lot better. Okay, so the background is, looks like it's black. So that's probably a 310. But look at how beautiful she is, guys. I love her hair. It looks like it's flowing up, but it's got lots of pinks, like light pinks. I love the pastel colors in this. And looks like she's wearing like some beads around her hair. And right on top of her hair, she has like a mechanical bird or a wind-up pink bird, which is pretty cool. And look at her face. Now, I believe that the Kurtis Rykovich paintings, the women, the girls, have big eyes also. And so she's got these beautiful green eyes, and her eyelashes are super long. And then she's got these rosy cheeks, and then she's got like a plum red lipstick, which is very pretty. But most of all, what I love is her ruffle. Look at the ruffle collar. Oh my God, it's like a purple pinkish ruffled collar. So beautiful. And then as you can see, it looks like it's more of those beads that she has in her hair, but then she has it around her on the ruffle collar. And then over here on her chest, it looks like she's got a heart. She's holding it in her hand, and there's a little bird. Love her pink outfit, her dress. She's got these very long nails. Since it's called Bird Sanctuary, I believe that she loves birds and the birds love her, and they feel very safe being with her. So yeah, I just love the colors on this painting. All right, so I'm gonna just put this aside, and I'm gonna bring out the drills. And as you can see, look at all those purples and pinks in there. So pretty. So I'm just going to open them and just take out the special drills, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I have the 4 ABs and the 6 crystal drills. So let's look at the colors very quickly. This one's AB01, and AB stands for Aurora Borealis. Okay, and so it's basically a drill with a special coating on it to make it extra shiny. And it's a very pretty light purple, like a pink purple. And then this one is AB34. Let's see the difference. Yeah, I think this one's slightly darker than this pink purple. It's more a purple violet. So pretty. Yeah, because these are pinks. So this is AB605. This is like a pink. And then this is AB963. And this one is, let's see, it's sort of like this is more like a coral pink. And this is more pink. So, so beautiful and shiny. Look at the shine on that. Okay, so those are the 4 ABs. So now let's look at the drills. I'm just going to put those right there. I mean the crystal drills. So they have LZ, that just stands for, I guess, crystal drills. 666, which is red. This is probably for her. I wonder if this is for her lips. And then you have LZ 699, crystal drills again. This is green. These are all crystals. This is LZ 700. So this one looks like a lighter green, slightly. Very, very little of these. This is like a lime green, and this is LZ 704. Very pretty. If you hear that noise in the background, that is Bella visiting. Hi, Bella. LZ 3607. This is a very pretty, like a purple pink. And then you have 2 bags of LZ 5200. Looks like it's silver. All right, so these are, by the way, I love that the Dreamer design, the drills are in order. Okay, so let's bring back that beautiful painting, and let's put the special drills on the side. All right, so this is when the legend comes in handy. So the first one is, it's 3 little dots. Okay, 3 little dots, and this is a purple pink. So I wonder if it's probably on her hair, maybe on the bird. Let's see. I love that it has so much pink in this painting. A lot of pink, guys, if you like pink. All right, let's see. I cannot find it. Let's see, is it on the heart? Is it on the ruffles? On her shoulders, because there's some pink on her chest. How about on her face, her cheeks? Nope. Oh, Mamma Mia. Well, we'll have to put this one aside. Sometimes when you're looking for the other color, then you find this color. All right, so we're going to put that one aside. Very little of this one. Has to be probably, because if you look at her hair, it has different kinds of pinks in it. Okay, so we're going to put that one aside. All right, the next one is AB34, and it's a arrow pointing up. Let's hope I can find this one at least. Oh, Mamma Mia. This is what happens, guys, when you are blind as a bat. Okay, I see the arrow facing that way, but I need the arrow pointing up. Oh, okay. Is it on the ruffles? On her dress? I can't seem to find it. All right, so we're going to put that one aside. Or else I'm just going to have to put the this on pause and then come back. All right, so this one is AB605, and it's the letter S, uppercase. Very little of this one too. Can you believe this, guys? I can't find it either. All right, so let me just put you guys on pause and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this one, which is AB605, letter S, it's on the ruffles. And so let's put these aside. I'm assuming that these are going to be on her hair, okay? So now let's go over here to her ruffles. And it's right, see, right there on the ruffle collar. That's going to be very pretty. Any down here? No, it's going to be on her collar. Wow. That's going to be really nice, guys. And now this is the special drill, the crystal drills. And this is going to be, it's a sideways triangle, and it's red and it's very little. So it's going to be, like we said, on her lips. It's going to be all around her ruby lips. Okay, it's going to be pretty. And then the next one is green. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's on her eyes. Wow, it's going to be on her green eyes. So you can see it's very little. Her eyes are going to be very sparkly. And then this one, I think, yep, also on her eyes, because they're two color. It's like a light green and a darker green, right? And then the next one, this one is the letter T, and it's also on her eyes. Wow. So she actually has three different colors of green on her eyes. Beautiful. Okay. And then the next one, this is letter N. Letter N. Let's see. Aha. It's on the ruffle collar again. Right there. This darker purple pink. And any on her dress? No. And then the last one, which is this silver one, 5200, and that's going to be O. Aha, I see it. So it's right here, all around her, I believe, like her dress. I think that's part of her dress. It's on the beak of the bird. Let's see. Aha. And it's all over the white that you see on her hair. So see, all this, all around her hair. Wow. And I believe it's also here on the mechanical bird, around the mechanical bird, around this. And that's it, guys. Wow. I love her. So it's very clear. Just going to bring it up. It does have a lot of confetti. The color blocking would be the background. It's the same color, which is black, 310. And then her hair, the birds, everything, her face, a lot of confetti. Mamma mia. But so much worth it, guys. Look at, I just can't get over this collar. I love it. And the beads. Oh yeah, you know what? Let me see the beads. Yeah, the beads also have that, the crystal, the crystals, the silver crystals on them. Oh, wow. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you guys love her as much as I do. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. And I do have a lot of unboxings that I have to do. I'm a little behind. So I'm hoping to do another one this week. All right. And thank you very much. And take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.